small brother. So, I can always say Ambogam, specifically. Do you tell me something? Aisha and Mahmoud, to you, na minister. To Uncle Mahmoud, na my cousin then. So how you want to make me and you? They say, well, let me go, not about me. So that kind of joke will be always between me and Dr. Kabisi. I remember when I told Aisha, when this thing also happened, at the Ambogam, I said, Aisha, he called me Uncle Mohammed. But this is not the situation. So how you want to make it be? You know me this or you know me because you say no, let me to this side. You know. But what I want to talk about my sister Dr. Kalisi. Now he inspire most of we for concentrate on our education. Now in teach we what's in our humility we infuse into the kingdom. And as we all see Aisha and Mahmoud, we're all very proud of them as a family. They're very humble, they're very, down to earth with family members, and we're very proud of them. I've been writing a very brief poem about my late sister, where if you permit me, I'll go on for it. Because now the family we consider Dr. Kalisi as we shining star. So I titled the poem Our Shining Star. From humble roots you rose with grace, a quiet strength, a radiant face. In every room you light would bloom.